MNSO, Pete, MNSO. This one, despite missing consensus third quarter numbers, the stock was just jumping in the pre. And apparently, robust financial performance. This is one of those, Chinese stocks that really got the wind at its back in the last few weeks. And the question is, do you stick with it, or do you think maybe after this kind of a bounce, maybe it's time to take some profits?
Well, that's a good question to ask, and my answer to that would be nope. I think I'm going to ride this son of a gun a little bit longer. Why do I say that, John? Their gross margins were at record highs, nearly 45%. When you look at the revenue, it was up 23%. The CEO's done a pretty magnificent job with what he's had to do there. A lot different than what we were just talking about at Stellantis. They're expanding the number of stores. They continue to open new locations. That level of expansion's up 19%. Free cash flow is about $1.5 billion. The cash to debt is about $4.8 billion. And oh, by the way, the PE is a 20. So everything I'm looking at looks to me like, hey, you know what? Yes, it's at new highs or whatever, pushing against the new highs. It's very close. I don't know why it can't continue this run, John, especially with the expansion they're talking about. And somehow they're able to get to the level of margins that's absolutely just giving them that cash flow. So I don't know. I think this one sounds like to me that it could pull back. Nothing goes bottom left to the upper right in a straight line. But I do think this has promise to go even a lot higher.